Achieving $1 million in 2025 is more attainable than ever with digital tools and innovative marketing techniques. Here's the $1 million playbook. To make $1 million in 2025, choose a scalable business model. Consider e-commerce, digital products, affiliate marketing, or consulting. Next, focus on high-profit niches that combine passion and demand. Research market trends, solve problems, and target affluent audiences. Leverage digital marketing to reach your $1 million goal effectively. Utilize content marketing, paid ads, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. Next, automate your processes to enhance efficiency. Use automated sales funnels, marketing automation, and inventory management tools. Scale with data and analytics to optimize your strategy. Implement A/B testing, gather customer insights, and leverage analytics tools. Diversify your income streams to accelerate towards $1 million. Consider multiple revenue streams, real estate, and recurring models. Building strong customer relationships leads to loyalty. Provide exceptional service, create loyalty programs, and engage with your community. Finally, reinvest your profits into marketing, product development, and hiring talent. By choosing the right model and leveraging digital tools, you can achieve $1 million faster than ever. Stay adaptable.